All right, Max, point to the red. Max, Lexi, you gotta get out of the way, baby. You already know your colors. Point to the green. Green. Point to the blue. Blue. Point to the yellow. Yellow. Where's the...
We treat guns with respect.
Why?
Because they can kill people and hurt.
Mm-hmm. Do you ever play with them without Daddy present?
No.
No. Do you ever point them at anybody?
No.
Max, what do we treat guns with?
Respect.
Respect? Because they can hurt people? Okay.
Why does it say BBs?
Because that's the name of the bullet that we shoot. It's a B.
BB?
Yep.
BB?
Did you hit your first target?
Yeah.
Where's it at? Let me see.
Right here.
Pretty good shot, huh? Good job, Boo. Go.
Biscuits won't open, Eric.
Close it. All right. You're gonna do it 3 times. 1. I'll help you in 1. Bring it to me, Randy. 2. 3. Remember, you're just gonna aim with that white dot. Oh, you hit it.
I shot it right.
Squeeze it. Good job. Show us where you shot.
Right here.
And did it go all the way through?
No.
Yeah. It's a pretty good shot.